Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. I'm making curry soup. I got chopped onion, 2 stalks of the lemongrass. You use the hammer or the knife, just kind of like smash it, the lemongrass, so you can extract the flavor. A little bit of vegetable cooking oil. I'm gonna use a lot of ginger, garlic, mint. And we're gonna stir this for a few minutes. Here I have some red curry paste. This one's very strong concentrate. They got 7-8 ingredients in there. Spicy. You don't need to add any more chili or red chili. And this is the Indian curry powder. So many different kind of curry powder you can get. You just kind of eyeball it. After you make a few times, you know how much flavor, how much ingredient that you need. We're just going to gently cook the ingredient, medium heat, for a couple more minutes. And the red curry paste is hard to dissolve. You have to cook through with the liquor later. So that we want to create the flavor. So we're going to cook the spices for a few minutes until very aromatic. It's going to be so delicious. And I'm going to add some turmeric powder. I have really bad sciatic nerve pain on my back, so I eat a lot of this. It will help you reduce your pain by 50%. See, the longer you cook the spices, the more flavor you're gonna create it. Looking good. Now I got 2 cans or 3 cans of coconut milk. It's a strong coconut milk. It's not the one you drink at home, okay? There we go. And this is just a basic starter ingredient. Later you can always add a little bit here and there, you know. Now is the time to deglaze the ginger garlic and some of the curry spices at the bottom of the pan. And then I'm going to add chicken in. Look. You can use drum, thigh meat, or just chicken breast. And then I have some yams and red skin potatoes. I love potatoes. I cut the potatoes a little bigger. Instead quarter, I cut into split in half. You know why I do that? Because this one I'm gonna have some time here. I'm gonna cook this soup for a little longer. I want it to be really nice and rich. By doing that, I can just usually determine my potatoes for tender. I mean, I would say probably hour and 15, hour and a half to cook. And here, I'm just gonna add some water. Oh, 7 cups. You want some room to cook, right? So yeah, that looks good. And the next thing, for the sodium, I'm just gonna add some fish sauce. 1, 2, 3 more. 3 tablespoons. And then we're just gonna use my lid. Where's my lid? It's right there. Once you deglaze everything, right? And Close it. Turn down to simmer. And let them bring up to a simmer. Have been cooking for a while. Every 10-15 minutes, I just give them a stir. Make sure nothing stick at the bottom. You see the soup start getting not necessarily thicker, but more flavor. You can see a layer of the oil and the red curry oil on the top, because the chickens really not have fat or any skin at all. So those are good. And I'm gonna give them a taste. Let's see, the potato is start getting softened or not. Yeah, that's good. If you want to use the smasher to smash the potatoes, that's great too, because you created a very nice starchy soup. So when I eat the soup, I don't want to just eat the top layer of the oil. So I mix it up like this. Wow! Wow, wow, wow. The lemongrass, ginger, garlic, coconut, everything, the curry, red curry, yellow curry combines good. This dish, you can be very creative. You can add eggplant, anything, zucchini, cabbage, basil, cilantro. They're all good. So now, I like to add the sweetness. This is already have nice rich flavor, but you need to add some sugar cane or brown sugar or white sugar. Here I got honey on my hand. Ooh, it's frozen. Come on. My honey is a little frozen. Gonna add some honey in. Just a little sweetness, not too much. Okay. One more squeeze. I wait a little bit. Well, something like this. Honey in. And then I'm gonna cook a little bit longer. Look, it's beautiful. This curry soup is good with dipping with bread, rice, perfect. Okay, I think it's done. I'm gonna skim some of the oil on the top. The longer you cook, the more oil they're gonna floating on the top. I just want to get some off, but not the whole thing. I need some to mix it with the, blend it with the soup. That's where the flavor coming from. You know, there's a lot of flavor. This oil is from some part of the cooking oil and the curry, the red curry, coconut oil. I think this is good. I don't want to do too much. See, that's how much I get it out. Okay. And then I'm gonna give them a little try. I add some basil leaf that I have that we grow in the kitchen. Very hot. Wow, wonderful, excellent. So what we're gonna do is there's my base, beautiful, see, yellow curry soup. So sometimes I can cook some pasta and mix with that, make it like a nicely warm soup. Oh, the flavor is beautiful. Or you can get a really nice bread, dipping with the bread or rice. Okay, I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. That's what they look like. Bye. See, gorgeous.